Hey guys, this is Harshit from Tech Gadget. In today's video, I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this Maono AU-400 Lavalier microphone. With that being said, let's get started. So this is the box in which it comes in. As you can see in the front, it gives a photo of the microphone and the name of the microphone. On the right, it gives the specification and features of the microphone. On the left, it gives different uses of the microphone. At the back, it gives the manufacturing details and the price. The price quoted on the box is $6.99, but during the Amazon sale, I got it for around $2.70. Now let's open the box and take a look at what's inside. On opening the box, first thing you get is two cards. One of which is the contact info card, and the other one gives the specifications and how to use the microphone. Now let's keep it aside and look at what else is in the box. The last thing you get in the box is the carrying pouch. Now let's keep everything aside and take a look at what's inside the pouch. On opening the pouch, the first thing you get is the microphone itself. After that, you'll get an adapter to connect the microphone to the PC or camera. After that, the next thing you get in the pouch is the clip itself. And at last, you'll find a silica gel. Now let's keep everything aside and take a look at the microphone itself. So this is the microphone itself. It is made up of plastic and its wire length is about 2 meters. But considering the price, it is very good. Now let's talk about the sound quality. For the price of around $270, I feel the sound from the microphone is pretty good. Now let me show you a sample of how it sounds. So this is an audio recorded via the Maono lavalier microphone, and this part of the audio is unedited and it is connected to the camera with that adapter which is in the box. So this will give an idea about how it sounds. So this part of the audio is being recorded with the microphone connected to a phone and is being recorded with its default voice recorder app. So this will give you an idea about how the audio is being recorded when connected to a phone. I have been using this microphone for about few weeks now and I have no complaints or issues with this microphone considering the price point of around $270. If you're looking for a cheap microphone and you have a very tight budget of around $270 or 300 rupees, I would recommend you to go with this microphone. Do note that sometimes I've seen this even price at around $699. At that price, I wouldn't recommend this microphone. So that's it. This was the unboxing and review of the Maono AU-400 lavalier microphone. In case you want to buy this microphone, I will leave a link of it in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. I will appreciate if you press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. After you subscribe, make sure to press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos and will be notified when I upload a new video. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, this is Harshit and hope to see you in my next video.